Welcome to this full guide on how to analyze campaign performance in Looker Studio in 2026. If you're running Google Ads, social media campaigns, or tracking traffic from GA4, Looker Studio helps you clearly understand what's working and what's not, without confusion. First, start with your campaign goal. Decide if you want traffic, leads, sales, or return on ad spend. This part matters because every metric depends on that goal, so don't skip it. Now open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your data source like Google Ads, GA4, or even Google Sheets. Make sure campaign name, date, and cost fields are connected properly. Next, build a quick overview using scorecards. Add total, spend, clicks, conversions, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. This gives you an instant snapshot of campaign health. After that, analyze trends. Add a line chart with date as the dimension and clicks or conversions as the metric. You can easily spot growth, drops, or sudden spikes. Pretty useful, you know. Now let's compare campaigns. Add a table with campaign name, cost, clicks, conversions, and ROAS. Sort it to find top performers and campaigns that need improvement. To go deeper, use filter controls. Add filters for campaign, device, channel, or date range so you can analyze specific segments without editing the report. Enable conditional formatting to highlight good performance in green and weak performance in red. This makes insights clear at a glance, especially for clients or managers. You can also compare time periods, turn on date comparison to see this month versus last month, and track growth over time. Finally, share your dashboard or schedule automated email reports. This saves time and keeps everyone updated without manual work. And that's it. Simple, visual, and data-driven campaign analysis using Looker Studio. If this helped, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more analytics guides. Hey everyone!